Today I will tell you about analysis of lighting in educational audience. I think it will be interesting to you, so let's start. One of the factors taken into account when optimizing the conditions of training and labor is the workplaces. The task of organizing the illumination of the workplace include ensuring the visibility of the objects, reducing the stress, and fatigue the organs of the vision. The illumination of the workplace should be uniform and stable, have a correct direction of the luminous flux, and exclude blinding effects of lighting, because long-term work in such audience can have a bad impact for health and it can be dangerous. Illumination of workplace in building is regulated by regulatory documents 1 and 2. In particular, the requirements are imposed on the light characteristics of background, light sources, and illuminated space. Our objective is numerical analysis of the distribution of illumination in typical classroom, as we see on the slides, in order to develop additional recommendations for zones of comfortable visual perspection. And the numerical analysis was carried out using the Dualax 4.13 program for specific audience A208. The following parameters were used in the calculation. It is length, luminous flux, power, mounting height, etc. Reflection coefficient 70%, it is ceiling, 50% walls, and 20% floor. Figure 2, as we see, Figure 2 displays a change in the relative gradient of illumination along the center line of row 4 M1 and line M3. And our conclusion is the results of numerical experiments indicate the appearance of comfortable visual perspection zones of TVP, which measure into a single area for M3. The transmission M1, M3 leads to an increase in the number of zones of TVP. However, this process is accompanied by a nonlinear increase in the number of uncomfortable zones. So it is, and then, thank you for your attention.